finished results. I sent out some yesterday. It was probably like a good 25. And this is the rest, and this is all from 1 day's worth of orders. And that was my first time ever making 4 figures in 1 day, which was awesome. And I hope to make more 4 figures, 5 figures in 1 day in the future. I'm putting that out there in the universe. And yeah. But I just want to say thank you so much. I am running on E. I did not go to sleep, and I've been slaving. But hopefully everyone who has made a purchase feels my love through these products. And I know my channel has been like up and down, and I haven't been really consistent. But I got a lot going on, obviously. And I also have some new business ventures that I want to start or have been looking into. So that's what I've been working on. And yeah, I'll try to get with a schedule or program so I don't leave my swank dolls, my family out, you guys, out of the loop. But yeah. all. I love you all. And without you, there wouldn't be a me for YouTube. So thank you on that note. I did get this in the mail probably like a month ago, but I didn't want to open it without you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it and see what the hype is about. I don't think this is gonna change anything, but more so just give me gratitude and appreciation for you all. And this is a milestone that I was hoping to reach, and I did because of you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Okay, and it has a little letter. Oh, and this is from the CEO. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay. I don't even know where I would put this. I don't think I'm gonna put it up. But it says presented to I am SANTAE Marie for passing 100,000 subscribers, and then it has YouTube on it. That is so cute. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put it up. I don't know. I don't even know where this is worthy to go. But I really, 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 really thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Hugs and kisses, and more hugs and kisses. And but yeah, that's basically what I do for shipping my products. Obviously there's more production behind it when I'm making the products by hand. Lord Jesus. And then having to label them. But besides that, this is what I do. And I don't know how it's gonna work out when I get bigger. I'm putting that in the atmosphere when a company grows. And for a side note, I'm working on these little shipment boxes. It's so cute. But this is just a sample, and it came a little bigger than I expected. My measurements were off, but that's alright. It's in the works, maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? Inside it says, may your roots grow long and your tresses stand tall. And then it has my logo in there. But yeah, let me know if you guys appreciate videos like this. The ins and outs of a business just in general, or for like an online store. And I can make videos like this. If not, just let me know in the comments below. But if you do like videos like this and you want to know how to set up your business and stuff like that, let me know. Love you guys. Thank you so much. I am SANTAE Marie. Bye.